All right, so the bird is in the stove. I don't know if you can see him or not, but he's in there, sitting at the back. So, the dog's outside. The plan is that I'm going to get under a big blanket and put it over top of the stove and all, with a towel or a smaller blanket, and grab the bird. That's the plan. Not sure how to go, so we'll see. Forward to this. I hope this works. So the theory is, if he gets out past me with a little blanket, then he'll get caught in this big blanket. And think about the fact that I don't have no light in there. Guess I can use the phone. Do not want this bird out in my house. There's the little feller. I think it's a female robin. Or a sparrow or something. I'm not 100% sure what it is. But he's got to go. So, this is what we're going to do. Let me get my other blanket. Oh, I don't want to do this. I'm going to get my gloves too. Here we go. Wish me well. Hey, birds. Got you, big bird. Got it. Right. Got you, Mr. Bird. It's all right. Come here. Come here. Come here, Mr. Bird. Look at you. Escaped. Sorry, Mr. Bird. Sorry, I got you. I got you. I got you. I'm gonna set you free. Freedom rings today for you. Mr. Bird. Got him. Hello, Mr. Bird. Thank God. Be free. Let's see if we can see why the hell the bird got in here in the first place. I don't see anything wrong. How the hell did he get in there? Man, he'd be trying really hard.